natural, like the motion. It's just in is in, out is out, in, out. Okay.
Okay. So, come in here.
All right, then you just figure it out.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, and I wrecked your $100,000 machine.
No, this one's only 50.
That'd be awesome.
Okay, right now you're in safe mode.
Okay.
That means that red handle to your left, when that's up,
Yeah.
all the hydraulics, everything in the machine does not work.
Okay.
Once you put that handle down, everything works. So, put it down. Just slam it down.
You don't need me to step on a brake or
Nope,
anything?
there's nothing. You don't
Okay.
touch anything, nothing moves. All right,
Okay.
so now everything's live.
Okay.
The throttle's on low, so you can't move anywhere too fast, so you
Okay.
shouldn't wreck anything. So, first things first is the hand controls. It's very ergonomic. Right now we're in cat controls.
Okay.
There's two different types of control. This one's cat control. So, if you take your right hand on that lever and pull it back towards you, see what happens. Okay, so remember that. Now if you push in the opposite direction, obviously, it goes back down. Okay, now with that same joystick, go to the left or to the right. And we're curling the bucket. Okay, now curl in.
Okay.
So that's how we dig. Yeah, pull that back towards you.
Was it too low before?
No, we're just gonna kind of cycle you through everything so you know. So just pull that lever back towards you to get that boom out of the way. Yeah. All right. So we call this the boom, and this is the stick.
Okay.
So now you can let go of that lever so you don't confuse yourself. Grab the left hand. Now that one, once you pull it towards you, brings that in. Try it. There we go.
Gotcha.
And then out is obviously the opposite.
Okay.
Now this one though, left and right, you're gonna start doing 360s.
Oh Lord.
So pull it in tight, just the way you had it. Pull it towards you. Yeah, all the way in. Okay. Now with the other hand, pull that one all the way in as well.
This one?
Yep. That's just gonna keep everything in nice and tight, so when you're swinging around, you're not gonna hit anything in the barn.
Okay.
Okay, so with your left hand, go left and right. Left or right, doesn't matter. That's how you spin around.
This is like so much. This is like it's like the best carnival ride ever. Oh my god.
Okay. So, if you really want to scare yourself,
Yeah.
take your hands off the controls. There's a lever to your far right, the handle. If you push that down, the blade, that dozer blade, goes down. If you pull it up, it comes up. So try it. You're on an uneven surface, so you will tip a little bit. You will not fall over.
Ah!
So just pull it or push it. Okay, see, now your dozer blade's going down.
Okay.
And then pull it back up. There.
Oh
So if you do that all the way up,
other way, like
towards you.
towards me.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so now your blade's off the ground.
Okay.
So those 2 foot pedals and handles in front of you,
Yeah.
I would you start with your hands, and then when you get more comfortable in a year, you can start using your feet.
Yeah.
That's forward and reverse. Forward is always the blade. So if you push forward, you sitting there will go backwards, but the machine, that's forward.
Oh, I see.
Because you're going
I
360,
see.
right? So if you pull backwards on them, you will actually go forwards.
Okay.
Yeah.
Should I try it?
Sure.
Do I do both of them together?
Both at the same time. Each track is driven individually.
Okay, I see.
See?
Alright. I'm so jerky. Okay.
There you go. And that's how you do it. Just put all those together and then you can run a machine.
Okay. Now I'm going to try scooping something.
Okay, scoop away. So what you should do
Yeah.
is put your blade down again. Because with a little machine, it helps stabilize it.
At the back?
Yeah, just push down.
To the front?
Yep. So now,
That far?
nah, a little less. That just helps stabilize you a bit. That's good. Just so you feel somewhat level.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, then because those controls, every time you push away from you, everything's opening up, right?
Right.
And then when you pull in, everything's curling in. We'll keep it on low throttle just so it's nice and slow. And then just don't even really think too hard. You're pushing out, that means everything's going out. Your bucket out, your curling out, your stick and your boom are all going out. So as soon as you start pulling your hands in, your bucket's gonna curl in, your stick's gonna come in, your boom's gonna come in. So just, it's all a fluid motion. See, yeah, see, you do them at the same time, there you go. And now curl in with your right hand, curl in towards yourself. All at the same time, there you go. Oh, you've done this before.
I still have not. Oh. Can I keep going?
Oh yeah. And then now it's everything out, right? Done.
Oh!
How was that?
That is amazing.
So that scoop took 7 minutes and 5 seconds.
Yeah, okay, Mitchell.
There you go.
I think I better hand it back over to you or we'll be here till next week.
Yeah, that's just payback for all the filming.
There you go. In is in and out is out. We can all drive an excavator.